Sharma sir,
Yes, sir.
can we start?
I think we should start.
Yes sir.
People may join.
Yeah, definitely.
ठीक sir. सर सबको मैसेज कर दिया है ना वैसे?
Yes sir, मैंने मैसेज कर दिया है.
So, dear participants, respected Vyavare sir, my senior colleagues, and all FDP coordinators and dear colleagues of my institute, we have privilege to include as one of the speaker and also performer of meditation session, Professor Yamini Karmarkar from DAVV Indore. She is basically from Institute of Management Studies, DAVV Indore, and is working as associate professor there. She has done Master of Management Science and PhD from DAVV. She has attended many of the FDPs, including FDP at IIM Ahmedabad. She has teaching and research experience of over more than 20 years. Also guided many of the PhDs. She has also completed UGC-funded major research project and is also involved in guiding the research design and analysis of several studies of heartfulness, particularly collaborative study of HFN and YICII, HFN and GIIS, HFN and Indore Police, where she has also completed research activities related to the Central Jail Indore. She has also completed HFN for Institute of Chartered Accountants and many more things that she has been completing over the years. Basically, she is related to the HFN for a long time, has been practicing that personally and has got benefited. So, such a personality is now with us. She is also independent director of Ujas Energy Limited. And many more things are there. It's just a brief introduction of her. So those who are interested to know about the heartfulness and also interested about management of stress, because this is now a buzzword, they can always contact her. She'll be happy to serve them. So with that brief note, Yamini Madam, I invite you to start your presentation. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. Respected Vyavare sir, Shekhar Sharma sir, Manish Panchal sir, other senior faculty members, and dear participants. At the outset, I express my heartfelt gratitude to SGS ITS for giving me this opportunity to share my views and lead you through a experiential meditation session in this FDP. I really feel very happy that AICTE has made this mandatory to include a meditation session in such programs, such academic programs. We can actually understand the importance of this subject now. So I'm really glad and thankful to all of you. Secondly, Shekhar sir has read a long introduction. I read a story somewhere कि जिसका इंट्रोडक्शन जितना लंबा होता है वो आदमी उतना छोटा होता है. So actually I also believe this. A person who has who has to write an introduction like this has actually accomplished nothing in life. There is so much more yet to be done. So with this, I would like to share my screen. Just give me a minute. Can we all see the screen?
Madam, it's not. Yes, madam. It's not.
Okay, fine. So I would like to take you through this session on meditation by heartfulness in this faculty development program on Internet of Things. In this session, I would briefly take you through a small understanding of the topic, and then we would have an experience of meditation in this session. So before I formally start this session, I would request all of you to take a moment, close your eyes, connect to your hearts, open your hearts, and give yourself a suggestion that you are ready and willing to accept whatever experience is coming across in this session. So let us all get connected to our hearts for a minute. Open our hearts. Make them receptive to the experience that we are going to have in this session. Okay, so let's begin. As I understand, this FDP has been on Internet of Things. Now, let me tell you, this is not my area. I mean, as you know that I'm from a management background and I practice meditation. So Internet of Things is absolutely not my area. But when Shekhar sir invited me for this, I was going through the brochure and this line that you see on the screen caught my attention, that Internet of Things is actually related to interconnecting things anywhere that can communicate among themselves for developing different valuable applications. I'm sure you all know.
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आई नहीं है, यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रही है.
Is it? Now?
ये पहली स्लाइड दिख रही है, दूसरी स्लाइड नहीं आ रही है ऐसा.
यामिनी सिस्टर फुल
जी?
स्क्रीन करके इसको रख दीजिएगा, फुल स्क्रीन.
हाँ, फुल स्क्रीन ही किया है मैंने.
ओके ओके.
अभी
स्लाइड नंबर दिख रही है मेरे को तो.
वो पहली स्लाइड ही दिख रही है. Oh my God. Let's just a moment. शेयरिंग विंडो तो बता रहा है अभी.
मनीष जी कैन हेल्प प्लीज.
वो स्लाइड दिख रही है अभी.
अच्छा, अभी मैं स्टॉप करके दोबारा से शुरू करती हूँ.
Madam, you have to share that full screen window. Google Meet.
Okay, let me just. अभी
मनीष आप बताते रहो, एक ही आदमी बताएगा. मनीष आप बता दे रहा हो, है ना?
प्रेजेंटेशन मोड अभी ओपन नहीं हुआ है. आपने प्रेजेंट वो किया था, वो हट गया वहां से.
मैम पहले सही था, बस F5 बटन दबाना था आपको, फुल स्क्रीन हो जाता. फंक्शन बटन F5.
I am a bit technologically challenged. Please pardon me for this. अभी दिख पा रहा है आपको क्या?
नहीं, अभी शेयर ही नहीं हुआ.
अभी शेयर नहीं हुआ है मैडम वो.
लेकिन ये मुझे तो कह रहा है कि मीट इज शेयरिंग अ विंडो.
It's coming now. अभी दिख रहा है. मैडम प्लीज प्रेस F5.
F5.
सारे गमप.
I pressed it.
No, madam, it's not full screen yet.
It may not be full screen. Can we just do with this?
हाँ, आ गया. अरे सर, अभी सेकंड स्लाइड दिख रही है आपकी. ओके.
Yes, madam, it's okay now.
Thank God.
नहीं, we should thank God every time. Even if it doesn't work, we should thank God.
Yes, we should thank God. All right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's continue. Yeah, I'm sorry for this disturbance. Yeah. So I was saying that I just came across this line which caught my attention about Internet of Things. आपके ब्रोशर से ही मैंने इसे पिकअप किया है. Interconnect things anywhere that can communicate among themselves for developing different valuable applications. और इसके ऊपर ही आप लोग you have been discussing during this FTP. Now these three phases caught my attention, जिनको मैंने bold किया है. First is interconnect, second is communicate among themselves, and third is valuable applications. इन तीन शब्दों ने मेरा ध्यान आकर्षित किया. And then I was thinking, I was contemplating, I mean, how and why about this? So there were three questions that I asked myself. Can you see the questions on screen?
Yes, madam.
What about interconnectedness of humans? Are we capable enough as per the requirement, as per the need of the society, as expected? Are we interconnected as human beings with our family, with the society, with our peers, with our colleagues? And if we are interconnected, then are we experiencing the desired amount of harmony around us in the society, desired amount of brotherhood in the society, desired amount of peace in the society? Are we really able to do this? If yes, that's very good. But if sometimes we feel that no, there is something lacking in this, that means the problem is interconnectedness of humans. There is some missing link there. So interconnectedness of humans, how do we ensure that interconnectedness in order to have that harmony, brotherhood, peace in the society? The second question is, what about communicating with self, myself? I understand communicating with others is important. I understand the ways and means of communication being taught to us, right? But have I ever tried to communicate with myself? Have I tried to do that? If yes, have I been able to do that? Or really I have been able to understand how to communicate with myself? What happens if I am able to communicate with myself properly? Then I am at peace with myself. Then I accept myself the way I am, right? If I'm not able to communicate with myself, then there is this problem of expectations from others, desires, and which results into anger, stress, depression. ये जितने सारे आजकल बड़े भारी शब्द हम सुनते हैं, उससे बहुत डिप्रेशन हो गया फलाने को, फलाना बहुत स्ट्रेस में है या मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस में हूँ. तो क्यों? Because there is some problem. I'm not able to communicate with myself. The third important question that I was asking is, what about making ourselves valuable? Because in terms of Internet of Things, we said that we are trying to do this interconnectedness and communicating with self for developing some valuable operations. So what about making myself valuable? How do I make myself valuable? Is it in terms of the money I earn? Is it in terms of the skill sets that I own? Is it in terms of the value system that I have? Is it in terms of the way I'm able to take care of the people around me? Is it in terms of the meaning that I add to people around me? How do I make myself valuable? These are some of the questions that I was asking to myself. And when I was asking these questions, I realized there is a common link between all these things. There is a common link between all these three questions. Would somebody like to guess what is that common link? I would be really happy if someone can guess that common link between all these three questions and the answer to these questions. Would some of the participants like to answer this question? What is the common link between these three questions?
We are part of the universe, so we are not alone in one sense. So if we sort of isolate ourselves, then we don't have to interconnect, then we don't have to think about ourselves, then we don't have to give value, because we are not evaluating others, others are not evaluating us, nothing is happening. But then we are in isolation. That cannot happen because we are a social animal.
Yes,
We
absolutely correct.
We want somebody to appreciate us, we have to appreciate him or her. I mean, it's a reciprocation.
It's a reciprocation always. Absolutely correct, sir. Yeah, and that is because That's absolutely right. Because, we are thinking in a certain way, we are feeling in a certain way. Like Sir rightly said, we are interconnected, we are a part of the universe. And I think in some way, and I feel a particular way. And you think in some way, you feel some way. And it's actually how we make each other think and we make each other feel. That's kind of reciprocation. And if you dig deeper, you will see that all these answers are connected to the mind of an individual, because mind is the tool which helps me think and feel. I mean, हम मन जिसे कहते हैं, मन, ये सारा मन का खेल है. The way I think, the way I feel. So all these questions are connected to the mind. Now you understand that this problem of mind, what is the problem? I mean, ये इतना बड़ा problem क्यों है? ठीक है, ये सारे सवाल मैंने आपसे पूछे. I've asked this, and we are saying that the way I think, the way I feel, that is the mind is actually the problem. Let me just give you some trailer of this. Let us do a small activity here. Okay, what we do is just close your eyes for 2 minutes and try to have one single thought. Any single thought. Okay, close your eyes and try to have one single thought. And please don't think about monkeys. Have a single thought. Do not think about monkeys. Okay, would someone like to share? What did you think? Some of the participants, please. Were you able to have the single thought?
If nobody speaks, then I would like to speak, but let somebody else speak.
Yeah, I would request some of the participants to please open up. Were you able to have one single thought in the mind, or there were many thoughts? And I said, don't think about monkeys. So were you able not to think about monkeys?
Yes, any response from participant side, please?
I'm sure they may not be responding, but I'm sure everybody has thought about monkeys, right? Whatever way. And I'm really very sure that we will not have been able to, have one single thought. There might have been several thoughts that have flashed across कि अरे ये सेशन कितना देर चलेगा, अगले सेशन में कौन आने वाला है, पिछले सेशन के नोट्स हैं कि नहीं है, अभी शायद आपका एग्जाम भी होगा, तो देर घर का भी काम होगा, ऑफिस का काम होगा. So I'm sure many thoughts have crossed the mind in this fraction of time that we have devoted.
Madam, I have a single thought.
Okay.
Yeah. And the single thought is that what can I do for other human beings?
Very good. Very good. You were able to have the single thought. That's very good. But if you are able to do that, that's really appreciated. But in general, if we see, we are not able to hold this single thought for a long period of time. What this means is that several activities are happening. There is some disturbance actually, some horn I can hear. Somebody's mic is unmute. So the problem is that the mind actually plays games with us, right? So if you see what kind of thoughts come across in the mind, there are several, right? Like, if you see, you all must be aware of that elephant and fly story. That elephant is such a huge animal, but and it is standing in one place, and there's a small fly, एक छोटी सी मक्खी उसके कान के आसपास मंडराती है, आंख पे मंडराती है. The elephant gets irritated, okay, and it gets so irritated at times कि वो जिस चेन में बंधा हुआ होता है उस चेन को भी तोड़ ताड़ के और रेस्टलेस हो जाता है. हमारे साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है. I mean, there are small incidences outside. There are small things happening around in my surrounding. I'm affected by everything that happens in my surrounding, right? And whatever is happening in the world around me, that takes me in control. So actually, I'm not able to control myself, my thoughts, my feelings. Things happening around me are in control of me. So the mind is restless and it goes wherever the attention goes. Like somebody said that I was trying to think about what should I do for other people. So you were giving attention to that thought, right? Someone else might have been thinking of someone else. So mind goes wherever the attention goes. So mind becomes restless, right? And thus we see that actually there's a remote control outside somewhere that is controlling my thoughts, my feelings, my actions, my behavior. Rather, the situation should be that the control should not be in remote hands. It should be in my hands. I should be able to control my thoughts, my feelings, my actions. Up excess of thinking, excess of these experiences, excess of exposure, actually, it creates a clutter in my mind. It creates a clutter. What kind of clutter it creates? It actually creates like this clutter. That's you don't feel good to see something like this in the house, in your wardrobe, right? You feel restless. You want to clean it, but we don't know how to clean it. And actually sometimes जब हम ऐसा करते हैं तो आप में से कभी लोगों ने अनुभव किया होगा कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई बार कि मैं खुद में ही दो अलग एंटिटीज हूँ. एक मैं हूँ और एक दूसरा कोई है, वो जहाँ डायलेमा चलता रहता है, जहाँ डिसीजन में मतलब एक दिल कुछ कह रहा है, दिमाग कुछ कह रहा है वाली सिचुएशन होती है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे अंदर ही दो अलग अलग व्यक्ति हैं. तो देयर इज मी एंड देयर इज अ थॉट जनरेटर दैट इज माइंड. सो व्हेन दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, और एक्चुअली अगर ये दोनों एक हो जाएं तो फिर शायद ये सारी प्रॉब्लम, स्ट्रेस, एंगर, एंजाइटी, रेस्टलेसनेस एंड डिप्रेशन, डायलेमा, ये सारा प्रॉब्लम जो है ये सब खत्म हो जाए. तो ये होता क्या है एक्चुअली, वी हैव, व्हेन originally the mind is created, it's a clear mind, but then over a period of time, when we go on accumulating thoughts, experiences, and feelings about those experiences, actually it's like, whenever we experience something, we memorize it. It may be a small incident, it may be a big incident. Whatever we are experiencing, वो हमारी memory में, subconscious में होता है. And that memory has two aspects. One is a cognitive memory and one is an emotional memory. Now, what do I mean by cognitive memory and emotional memory? Cognitive memory is वो जो घटना, कोई भी एक घटना, let's say for example, आपने ये FDP अटेंड किया, ये एक घटना है, this is an experience, right? आपने जो lectures अटेंड किए, आपने जो कुछ भी सीखा इसमें, वो सब cognitive memory है. ऐसे अनेक incidences हैं. This may be a major event in your life. There are smaller events, like I'm sitting in my sofa and there is some guest coming into the home. The guest takes another sofa. We are reading book, we are talking, we are discussing. The guest goes away. That's an incident. You store that memory in your subconscious, right? Over a period of time, the memory gets absorbed in the subconscious. So there is the cognitive memory, जो incidents है वो याद रहता है अपने को. दूसरा emotional memory, उस incidents के दौरान मुझे कैसा feel हुआ, the feeling that I had during that incidents, the feeling as in I was very happy to have the guest with me, I was not so happy, I was angry, I was sad, I was upset, I was excited. I mean, you can have good emotions, you can have not so good emotions. So these emotional memories also get imbibed in the subconscious and they remain stored there. And that's why, and बचपन से लेकर अभी तक, there is so much of storage that we have had. We think and we keep on brooding on the same situations in certain cases. Some incidences have great impact on us. Some incidences may not have so great impact on us. So all these incidences in our life, day-to-day life, get accumulated. And that's why they create a clutter in the mind, these emotional memories. And these actually, this impressions, we call them impressions. These impressions actually generate the thought patterns we have. Then these lead to the tendencies, prejudices, individual person's attitude. Some people have positive attitude, some people have negative attitude of looking at something. Same incidents, different people will perceive in different ways because their thought patterns, their impressions are different. And this results into behaviors and habit formation. So there's a lot of thing that is accumulated in the mind, which results into our good behavior as well as not so good behavior. And this is the problem of the mind. Now the question is, how do I clean it? How do I clear it? और एक्चुअली ये इस सवाल पर मैं आऊं उसके पहले एक चीज और इम्पोर्टेंट है कि क्या ही फर्क पड़ जाएगा अगर ये इंप्रेशंस रह भी गए स्टोर मेरे अंदर तो, बिकॉज दे आर अफेक्टिंग माई बिहेवियर, दे आर अफेक्टिंग माई हैबिट्स, इट इज अफेक्टिंग माई एटीट्यूड. एंड दैट मीन्स वो एक तरह से जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं जंजीरों में जकड़ रहे हैं ये इंप्रेशंस. सो आई एम नॉट फ्री टू एक्ट इन द डिजायर्ड वे. दो भाइयों में आपस में झगड़ा है किसी भी रीजन से ना, वो झगड़ा कभी एक दिन हुआ होगा लेकिन उसकी इमोशनल मेमोरी आगे हमेशा रहती है. सो दे आर नॉट एबल टू बिहेव नॉर्मली विद लव विद ईच अदर. So how do I remove, how do I clean this? How do I, make myself free of all these prejudices? Because it's very important to do this. Why it's important? Because that is about the evolution of my consciousness. It's about the evolution of my capabilities. So meditation happens to be a very powerful tool to make ourselves capable. Now, this is very interesting story. There is this very famous book known as 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, written by Stephen Covey. And in this book, there is this very interesting story about one management team. They were asked to go to the forest and cut some trees using an axe. कुल्हाड़ी से पेड़ काटने को कहा गया. तो सारे लोग दौड़ कर गए, बहुत सारे पेड़ काट कर लाए. एक आदमी था जो थोड़ी देर बैठ के कुल्हाड़ी घिस रहा था और सबसे आखिरी में वो चल पड़ा और वो कुछ काट के ले आया. अगले दिन फिर सबको कहा गया, अगले दिन सब फिर दौड़े और ढेर सारी लकड़ियां तोड़ कर लाए. लेकिन ये आदमी जो है ये थोड़ा शार्पन कर रहा था अपने एक्स को, कुल्हाड़ी को धार करके, और फिर गया. तो उसने उतनी ही लकड़ियां काटी जितनी प्रीवियस डे काटी थी, whereas बाकी सब लोग उससे कम काट पाए. ऐसा हर दिन होता गया. कुछ हर दिन, every next day, entire team was able to cut lesser number of wood. कम लकड़ियां काट कर ला पा रहे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी कुल्हाड़ी की धार कमजोर पड़ गई थी, उनकी एफिशिएंसी कमजोर हो रही थी, कम हो रही थी. लेकिन ये व्यक्ति रोज सुबह अपनी कुल्हाड़ी को धार करता था तो उसकी एफिशिएंसी उतनी ही थी, रादर और बढ़ती जा रही थी. सो एंड ऑफ द डे जब ये टास्क खत्म हुआ कुछ दिनों बाद, तो आखिरी के दिनों में बाकी के सारे लोग जो हैं वो बहुत थोड़ी लकड़ियां काट पाए या शायद ना काट पाए क्योंकि उनकी कुल्हाड़ी में धार नहीं थी. लेकिन ये व्यक्ति काटता रहा. सो इट्स एक्चुअली वी समटाइम्स गेट सो बिजी दैट वी डोंट टेक टाइम टू शार्पन द एक्स. हमें लगता है दुनिया भर के इतने सारे काम में हम एक अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज, अपने बारे में सोचना, अपने स्किल सेट को इम्प्रूव करना, इसके लिए समय नहीं निकालते. लेकिन ये बहुत जरूरी है. तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम मैंने माइंड की बताई, इस प्रॉब्लम को ओवरकम करने के लिए यदि हम इस मेडिटेशन को हमारे लाइफ में अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं, सो इट कैन बी अ वेरी पावरफुल टूल टू मेक योरसेल्फ केपेबल. केपेबल ऑफ व्हाट? केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग द राइट थिंग, केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन. तो वो जो सारे क्वेश्चंस हम पूछ रहे थे, इंटरकनेक्टेडनेस विद अदर पीपल, कम्युनिकेटिंग विद द सेल्फ, मेकिंग माई सेल्फ वैल्यूएबल, आई एम एबल टू डेवलप ऑल दोज कैपेबिलिटीज just by sparing some time for meditation. And when you meditate, I must be interested in this meditation. Why? Because it is about myself. It is about enhancing my capacities. It is about refining my tendencies. And as I said, it is about evolution of consciousness. Some people may ask me, what is this consciousness and what would happen if ये consciousness evolve हो जाएगी तो क्या ही मुझे मिल जाएगा इससे? क्या कुछ थोड़ी तनख्वाह बढ़ जाएगी? नहीं. When the consciousness evolves, a person becomes aware of himself in a better way. So connectedness, awareness increases. I'm aware of others around me. So my sensitivity increases. I'm able to connect better with other people. I'm aware of the surroundings and environment. So I become responsive. I become more empathetic. I become more compassionate, right? And then when I become this, I'm able to, a person, when the consciousness evolves, the person is able to see what he could not see before. He's able to feel the way he could not feel before. He is able to do things that he could not do before. So efficiency, effectiveness is increasing. A person is able to think the way he could not think before, and thus he's able to become what he could not be so far. So meditation has this magical experience on our beings. So with this understanding, why should I do meditation? Now you must be curious to understand how to meditate, right? So some of you must have had previous experience of meditation. Some of you may be very new to this concept, this idea. There are different methods of meditation available, different systems available. I am here to offer you this one set of practice, which is known as heartfulness meditation. Heartfulness meditation is a set of simple practices that can be easily learned and adopted in daily life. And remember, daily life. Remember, you need to sharpen that axe daily. So this is a simple set of practices you can easily learn and adopt it in daily life. One important thing that when you want to adopt this practice of meditation, please remember, एक दिन meditate करके कुछ बहुत major achievement नहीं होता है. You have to practice this. You have to nurture this habit, and you have to continuously do it for certain period of time. जनरली ऐसा कहते हैं कि कोई चीज आप 90 डेज तक करते हैं तो वो फिर हैबिट बन जाती है. सो आई वुड इनवाइट यू टू डू एटलीस्ट फॉर 90 डेज एंड देन टेक अ कॉल फॉर योरसेल्फ. So this is a simple set of practices which can be easily learned. Now heartfulness meditation is a secular practice. It is beyond any religion. It is all universal kind of a practice. It is well accepted across the globe in more than 150 countries. It's more than 75 years old practice, well established and scientifically proven. As Shekhar sir said, there are a lot of researches that we have done on effectiveness of heartfulness meditation. So it has the effect on your emotional well-being, your physical well-being, both. So overall well-being is connected with heartfulness meditation. It is free of charge as always. We don't charge anything for this meditation. If you want to learn, you just have to connect with a trainer. There are trainers all across the globe. There are more than 13,000 trainers now, and you can locate one trainer around you using an app, and the trainer can guide you through this practice. And there's a continuous support system available in terms of the trainer support, literature to read, group meditation sessions, one-to-one meditation sessions, online as well as offline in-person meditation sessions to help you till the time you get into practice, till the time you make it a habit. And like, जैसे जिम में जाते हैं हम, so there is a general exercise routine. And then if you want to do some serious bodybuilding, then you have a personal trainer also. So that's in the same way, heartfulness meditation also has personal trainer facility, which is also free of charge. So you can make use of this heartfulness meditation practice. Now, let us now have a small experience of heartfulness relaxation, which will be around 7 to 8 minutes. And then we will meditate for about 20 minutes. Let us experience this, because meditation पर बातें कितनी भी कर लें, बातें करने से meditation नहीं होता है. Meditation तो actually करने से ही होता है. So taste of pudding lies in eating it. So let's all prepare ourselves. Let's all take this time to meditate. So what I'm going to do next is, I would request all of you to sit comfortably and put your mobile phones on silent mode. Do not attend to some calls or whatever. And I'm sure because you're in a session, you're sitting in a secluded place where nobody is going to disturb you. Now we will remain seated with our eyes closed for around 25 to 30 minutes. Okay. So this session is going to last for 25 to 30 minutes. Initially, I will give you some instructions of how to meditate, and then we will start meditation. So before I start the heartfulness relaxation, just a very brief note about how do we do this heartfulness meditation. So heartfulness meditation is very simple. हम क्या करते हैं? We sit in a place and we give ourselves a suggestion that there is divine light in my heart. The actual heart on the left hand side. So we give ourselves as a suggestion that there is divine light in my heart and this divine light is attracting me. We sit with this thought for some time and we actually try to feel this. It's not just a mental suggestion, though it may start with a mental suggestion, but gradually we lead it to a feeling kind of a thing. So and then with this thought we sit for a while. अब जैसा नेचुरल है कि जैसे अभी हमने करके देखा था, हमारा माइंड एक जगह तो टिकेगा नहीं. It's quite possible that during the meditation your thoughts may drift away to different directions. आप restless हो सकते हैं. So it's all okay. It's acceptable, right? Because this is how it is. The mind is meant to think. Don't get upset about that. The moment you realize that you have drifted away in the thoughts, you can, gently bring your attention back to the heart. That's how we are going to meditate. When you adopt heartfulness meditation seriously in your lives, then we also have a technique which the trainer teaches you how to overcome the thoughts during meditation, how to rejuvenate, how to cleanse your mind. So you also learn that method, which we are not going to talk today because there is limited time that we have. Then there is yet another technique in heartfulness meditation which will teach you how to remain connected within and take your meditation experience to the next level. So for all those who are interested in this, adopting these practices, they may connect with me, or maybe Shekhar sir can connect you with some trainer and you can adopt these practices. But for now, we are going to start with this heartfulness meditation with relaxation. So let's begin this session. I request all of you to sit comfortably. You may sit in a chair or you may sit on an asana in cross with your legs folded. जिस भी तरह से आप बैठना चाहें, it's okay. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. You may keep your hands folded on your lap like this. During the meditation, if you feel like changing the position, you may gently do so. Take a deep breath. Bring yourself in the present moment. Gently bring your awareness to your feet. Feel that a healing energy from the earth is entering your feet and relaxing them. Your toes are now relaxed. Let this healing energy move up in the legs and relax them. Gently bring your awareness to your ankles. Your ankles are now relaxed. Bring your attention towards your knees. Your knees are completely relaxed. Bring your attention to your thighs and relax them. Gently bring your attention to your hips, buttocks, and waist. Your hips and buttocks and waist are now relaxed. Bring your attention to your stomach and relax it. Now move your attention towards your chest area and feel that the chest area is getting relaxed. Gently bring your attention towards your back. Observe your entire back, right from your tailbone till your head. Each muscle in the back is getting relaxed. If you feel any tightness in the muscles, gently release it. Now your entire back is relaxed. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Shoulders are becoming light and relaxed. Move your attention to your arms. Relax your upper arms. Your elbows. Lower arms. Wrist, palms and fingers are completely relaxed. Now move your attention towards your neck. The neck muscles are getting relaxed. Move your attention to your face. Your jawbone is relaxed. Your lips and cheeks are relaxed. Ears and nose relaxed. Your eyes are gently closed. Take some time to observe your forehead. Relax it. Move your attention to the top of your head. And relax it. Your entire body is now relaxed. And now you are ready to meditate. Gently bring your attention towards your heart. Your heart is also relaxed. Feel that there is divine light in your heart. And this divinity within is attracting you. And you are ready to go deeper into yourself. Continue with this thought for a while. If you get drifted away in the thoughts, gently bring your attention back to the heart and continue to meditate till you hear the next voice. Continue to remain connected to your heart. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Observe how you're feeling. Observe your inner condition. Gently open your eyes, still remaining connected with the heart. Continue to observe your inner condition. You may like to consolidate your thoughts, and if you feel like writing them in a notebook or a diary, please feel free to do so. Take a minute and write down your experience. That's all. So that was the small experience of meditation. In this meditation, the heartfulness meditation, this is a basic method, and there is a concept of pranahuti, that is the divine energy, which is the source, which comes from the source itself. And this pranahuti, or the divine transmission, helps us improve the experience of meditation day after day. Would anyone like to share the experience? Anyone would like to speak something before I continue?
Can I speak?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, so It was very calm. The experience was very calm. The second thing, when eyes were opened and then you again started looking into it, of course the calmness didn't come into the first minute. Second, third, fourth minute, it became more and more calm. I mean, concentration. Is a detachment of expectation from others or myself. Both the things. I mean, this is what I'm experiencing right now. So normally there is always an expectation. मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो को ये लग रहा है कि व्यवहार ऐसे घड़ी घड़ी बोल रहे हैं. मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो अभी मिसेस बाहर गई तो जाने के पहले बोल के कि तुम बोलना मत, तुम ही ज्यादा बोलते हो. तीसरा मतलब मेरे मन का बीच में क्या बता रहा हूँ, आई एम कमिंग बैक टू नॉर्मल, मतलब वो बताऊंगा. तीसरा ऐसा कि बाकी लोग क्यों नहीं बोलते इसके बारे में आपसे पूछूं या उनसे पूछूं कि जब इतने लोग अटेंड कर रहे हैं और मैडम बोल रहे हैं कि बोलो बोलो बोलो, तो क्लास में फर्स्ट में कोई मैडम बोलेगी बोलो फॉर रनर, कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा तो टीचर को क्या लगेगा.
और यहाँ तो सभी लोग टीचर्स हैं.
मतलब उनको क्या लगेगा, ऐसा मेरे मन में विचार आया. मतलब ये भी थर्ड वाला है, बट फर्स्ट टू थिंग्स इज कामनेस व्हिच ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज, नंबर वन. एंड नंबर थिंग इज towards the end, when you say open your eyes, when the thoughts started coming, the two things came is detachment of expectation from other or even from myself. मतलब accepting ऐसा दो हुआ. बट तीसरा वाला ये थॉट मेरे दिमाग में अभी भी है जो चल रहा है और क्लटर्ड है कि बाकी लोगों से पूछा जाए कि व्हाट स्टॉप देम फ्रॉम एक्सप्रेसिंग. मतलब कि मैं जो बोलूंगा या ये तो बोलते रहते हैं, तो यामिनी कर्मल, शेखर शर्मा, मनीष पांचाल और व्यवहारी सर का ही प्रोग्राम है, अपने को तो बिठा के रखा है. कुछ भी मतलब. सो आई डू नॉट नो, दीज आर टू एक्सपीरियंस, बट आई थिंक कोई और बोलेगा तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा.
हाँ, जैसे सर, if anybody wants, the forum is open. And sir, व्यवहारी सर, आपने बहुत अच्छा ऑब्जर्वेशन किया. So actually, you know, that is right. Initial experience is that of peace. And then gradually when you come to awareness, then the other thoughts will start coming in. That was a very correct observation. So, and maybe, you know, everybody has an experience. I'm sure all 60 of us in this meeting have had some experience. We may like to share it, we may not like to share it, but I'm sure everyone has had some experience. Sometimes we may not like to speak up because, you know, we feel that we will be judged or something. और मे बी मुझे ऐसा भी लग सकता है शायद कि अरे पता नहीं, मैं इतना छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, मैं क्या शेयर करूं, दूसरे लोग क्या बोलेंगे. So all these things are okay, but as sir ने कहा, I'll really be very happy if someone from you is able to share. Anyways, so that's absolutely fine. With this note, I would like to again share my screen with all of you.
Just a minute, Yamini madam.
Ji.
I want to request participants to kindly interact, because it is the interaction through which we try to learn and really learn.
Yes. Okay, so if anybody is willing to, I'll be more than happy. If you want to ask some question, that's also absolutely fine. Or if you don't feel like asking now, you may post it in the chat, or later on also you may connect. Like sir said, you know, please understand that this session is ये मैंडेटरी किया है AICTE ने, इसलिए हम इसे अटेंड कर रहे हैं. यहाँ हमें सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा इस FDP का, और फिर सर्टिफिकेट के अलावा हमें क्या करना है, हमारे API में पॉइंट्स ऐड हो जाएंगे. I mean, I am also from the same fraternity, so I understand this. Generally, we do FDPs and sessions for the sake of certificate. But आज आपको अपील करे या थोड़े समय बाद ये आपको अपील करे, but this is my genuine request to each one of you. Please start meditation. Please adopt it as a practice in your life. Start with some time. Start with little time. Okay. I am offering you this heartfulness meditation. I mean, this is open for all. You may try to adopt this or whatever. I mean, this is the need of the hour. अभी हम सबको, हमारे आसपास के लोगों को इसकी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है, और इसीलिए ये मैंडेटरी किया गया है. So please understand the importance that this has, and also understand, I tried to, you know, bring to your notice कि इसका क्या benefit है हमारे lives में. So please understand that benefit and try to adopt. अगर आप में से कोई एक या दो लोग भी इसे adopt कर लेते हैं और benefit होते हैं, तो I think this session will have its relevance. So with this, I would just like to show you one last thing. Yeah. So for all those who wish to continue with this heartfulness meditation, or you want to learn more about this heartfulness meditation, here is an app that is available on the Play Store for Android users and the other store for iPhone users. The name of this app is Heart in Tune. Okay, now this app helps you experience peace and love during meditation. It has a lot of features. You can set goals for meditation. You can accomplish those goals. You want to meditate for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. You want to do it on your own. You want to take guided meditation. So that feature is there. You can get the expert help. You can read all the literature related to heartfulness meditation. You can maintain a journal. You can maintain your record statistics for how long you have meditated and so on. So it's a help available to all of you. So I request you to make use of this app. And as I said, if you're not able to make use of the app and you want to connect with a trainer in a personal way, feel free to do so. Heartfulness meditation is free of charges always. So that's all from my side, Shekhar sir. If someone wants to ask a question, the forum is open, or else whatever you say. So thank you very much for being patient with me.
Sir, your mic is mute, sir. Vyavahari sir, your mic is mute.
यामिनी मैडम, मैंने कहा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा.
जी,
और
sir,
और पहले पीसी शर्मा सर से एक बार दो बार मैंने किया था, बहुत पहले. इट वाज आई जॉइंड जीएसटी इन 82, तो 83 84 में सर रानीसराय में थे. तो उसके बाद फिर सर के साथ तो कंटिन्यू नहीं किया. और मेरे दोस्त तो बहुत करते हैं, और आप तो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है ऑब्वियसली. दांडेकर, दीपा दांडेकर, शैलेंद्र पुरोहित, जीएसटी का तो है, शेखर सर, उनके मिसेस वगैरह सब. सो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज कि ये फ्लोर आपका है, माइक आपका है, पर मैं बुढ़ा हूँ, तो इसलिए दो शब्द ज्यादा बोल गया.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल आपका फोरम है. सर इंटरेक्शन होता है तो अच्छा भी लगता है.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें कुछ लोग हैं जिनको अपन जैसे क्लास में कहते हैं ना कि तुम खड़े होके बोलो, तो उसमें एक अंजुलता यादव है यहाँ पे. अंजू बोल सकती है कुछ? अंजू या अमित, दे आर वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. मतलब मेरे क्लास में मैंने पढ़ाया है इन लोगों को. अंजू कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? अमित, टीचर को खुशी तभी होती है ना जब स्टूडेंट कुछ बोलता है.
लेकिन सर हम क्या करते हैं ना, अभी एफडीपी है तो ये सब टीचर मोड में नहीं है, ये सब स्टूडेंट मोड में चले गए हैं. और जैसे ही हम अदर साइड पे आते हैं, हम सभी स्टूडेंट ही बन जाते हैं.
प्रदीप कुछ बोलना चाहेगा? प्रदीप, प्रीति.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
जी.
मनीष, एक मिनट इनको बोलने दो थोड़ा सा चाहे तो, क्योंकि नहीं तो फिर वो मैंने कहा ना, शेखर शर्मा सर, यामिनी मैडम, मनीष और व्यवहार का हो जाएगा. प्रदीप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? प्रीति, हाँ प्रदीप बोलना चाहता है. गुड.
Yes. Good morning, madam. It's a very nice sessions about meditations. Actually, I could not able to attend a whole sessions, but last के जो half an hour जो था that I attend, and that will be a really nice session.
वही मुद्दे का था.
Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Okay, most welcome. जी. चैट में जरूर कुछ लोगों ने अपना दिया है कुछ. मोहित रायकवार जी को कुछ सवाल है. What should I do about the restlessness or discomfort I experience while meditating? मोहित रायकवार, ये बहुत ही बेसिक और मतलब ये सबके लिए रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चन है कि जो ये मेरे को लगता है कि सभी को रेस्टलेसनेस या डिस्कम्फर्ट या रश ऑफ थॉट्स होता ही है मेडिटेशन के दौरान। तो अब इसमें मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहूंगी कि ये प्रैक्टिस जब आप करेंगे तो प्रैक्टिस के साथ ये चीज आपको शायद थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस आपका चेंज होगा। पर इससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी बात है कि हम ये समझें कि हम मेडिटेशन क्यों कर रहे हैं। हम मेडिटेशन थॉटलेस होने के लिए कर रहे हैं क्या? हमारे मेडिटेशन का ऑब्जेक्टिव थॉटलेस होना है क्या? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। थॉटलेसनेस इज नॉट द ऑब्जेक्टिव और थॉटलेसनेस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अचीव ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन. So, okay, Viju Gopal is saying that, okay, please say in English. Okay, fine. So, thoughtlessness is not something that we are trying to achieve. It may be one condition. It may be one state of existence. It may be one condition achieved during meditation on one day. Other day, it may not be there. So, that is not something that we are aspiring to do. So, as I said, we are aspiring to, the purpose that we are trying to do meditation is, end of the day, over a certain period of time, I would like to bring some inner changes in me. I would like to improvise the way I think. I would like to improvise the way I perceive things, my feelings, my attitude. So if I'm able to observe a shift in this, then the purpose of meditation is achieved. So in doing so, some days my experience could be of thoughtlessness, some day it may not be like. So this restlessness or discomfort during meditation is because of the accumulated emotional experiences that one has stored in the system. Heartfulness meditation, as I said, offers one technique which you can learn from the trainer, which is known as heartfulness cleaning meditation. So that cleaning meditation helps you overcome this rush of thoughts or restlessness or discomfort during the meditation. So you may get in touch with a trainer and you can learn that technique.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, मैं कुछ थोड़ा सा इसमें मतलब पर्सनली आपसे कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ। जैसे मैं अपना पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बोलूँ तो आई एम क्वाइट सेटिस्फाइड. I never do any type of meditation. I used to play daily. I used to do exercise. I spend my time in my teaching and in my study. तो मेरा सवाल सिंपल सा ये है कि why should I do it meditation? ठीक है, भविष्य में कभी जरूरत पड़ेगी, जब मैं शायद हमारे सर की एज में आ जाऊंगा तो कभी जरूरत पड़ेगी, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि मुझे ना पड़े. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मुझे मेडिटेशन की जरूरत ही ना हो.
आपकी बात से बस वो दोहा मुझे याद आ गया कि दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई.
तो मैं
सुख में सुमिरन करे, दुख काहे को.
मैं यही आपसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ. मैं भी यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि समवेयर लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि मेडिटेशन उस स्टेज का नाम है जब हम किसी स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, जब हम किसी परेशानी में होते हैं, जब चीजें हमारे कंट्रोल से बाहर हो जाती हैं, तब लोग हमें सजेस्ट करते हैं कि भाई मेडिटेशन करो. उससे शायद आपका माइंड सेटल होगा, आपका माइंड शांत होगा, आपको सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे, आपको कुछ शायद अच्छा फील होगा. तो जब आप वो कहते हैं कि जब आप अच्छा फील करते हैं तो विचार भी अच्छे आपके दिमाग में आते हैं, है ना. ये तो साइंटिफिक है, इसमें तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. तो अच्छा फील करने, खाली अच्छा फील करने के लिए मेडिटेशन करना, मतलब मैं अपना बता रहा हूँ खाली. तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि ये मेडिटेशन खाली अच्छा फील करने, क्योंकि मुझे खेलने में अच्छा लगता है. मैं डेली 2 घंटे सुबह को खेलता हूँ, अच्छा एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ, पसीना बहाता हूँ. दिन में पूरा दिन, सुबह कॉलेज आते हैं, शाम तक कॉलेज में निकल जाता है, बहुत सारे काम रहते हैं. शाम को दोस्तों के साथ आधा पौना घंटा बैठ करके अपना समय कट जाता है फैमिली के साथ.
तो क्या सर, मैं 5 मिनट का समय है मेरे पास इनका जवाब देने के लिए?
जी
मनीष सर.
Yes, madam, we are having enough time.
तो विपिन जी, आपने जो बात कही ना, मुझे बिल्कुल मेरे शुरुआती दिन याद आ गए कि जब मैंने मेडिटेशन शुरू किया था. एक्चुअली मेरी भी यही स्थिति थी कि मुझे ऐसा लगता, मेरे घर में सब लोग मेडिटेशन शुरू कर चुके थे, मेरे हस्बैंड करते थे, और मुझे लगता था ये क्या है, ये सुबह शाम आंख बंद करके बैठ जाते हैं, और मेरे को भी ऐसी कोई जरूरत महसूस नहीं होती थी, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, है ना. क्योंकि हैप्पीनेस एक्चुअली इज अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, और ऐसा रिसर्च ने प्रूव किया है कि हैप्पीनेस इज कनेक्टेड टू सम हार्मोन्स इन योर सिस्टम, डोस, DOSE जिसको कहते हैं, डोपामाइन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, सेरोटोनिन, एंडोर्फिन। ये चारों हार्मोन्स जो हैं ये अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज से सिक्रीट होते हैं, दोस्तों से मिलना जुलना, खेलना कूदना, एंटरटेन करना, रिक्रिएशन करना, ये हैप्पीनेस का सोर्स हमारे लिए हो जाते हैं। तो ये अभी हमारी स्थिति है। तो अब अगर ये स्थिति हमारी हमेशा, आपको ये गारंटी है क्या कि ये स्थिति हमेशा बनी रहेगी?
नहीं, मैं चाहता हूँ लेकिन
कोई गारंटी नहीं हो सकता
जी।
इस बात की गारंटी कोई भी अपने लाइफ में नहीं ले सकता कि परिवर्तन होगा ही नहीं। अभी आप देखो वर्तमान में जो ये कोविड की सिचुएशन हम 2 साल से झेल रहे हैं, हमने कभी सोचा था क्या कि ऐसा कुछ होगा हमारे जीवन में? नोबडी हैड एवर थॉट। तो आज सब कुछ मेरे लाइफ में अच्छा है, तो बहुत अच्छा होगा यदि ऐसा ही बना रहे। पर अगर मेरे को अपने आप को स्किल सेट कोई डेवलप करना है, तो मैं जब परिस्थिति गंभीर होगी तब सीखना शुरू करूंगी, या मैं अभी से सीख के रख लूं, मैं अभी से अपने आप को कैपेबल बना के रख लूं, है ना? तो बात ये है। और दूसरा, मेडिटेशन को सिर्फ हैप्पीनेस से रिलेट नहीं करते हैं हम, मेडिटेशन एक स्किल सेट डेवलप करने की बात है। तो जो मैंने आपको कहा कि हैप्पीनेस अगर सिर्फ चाहिए है, तो हैप्पीनेस ये एंडोर्फिन, डोपामाइन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, सेरोटोनिन, ये हमको बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज से मिल जाती है। लेकिन जो मैंने अपने टॉक में जिस बात की तरफ आपको इशारा करके बताया कि मेडिटेशन इज अबाउट इवोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, एक्चुअली दिस इज अ वेरी डीप थिंग। हम आज के सेशन में बहुत डिटेल में बात नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन इट इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ। देयर इज डीप फिलॉसफी इन इट। What is the purpose of my life? What is the purpose that I am here on this earth? So to ask this question to yourself and to find an answer to that, that is the purpose of meditation. The purpose is to transform yourself into a better human being. और better human being जब मैं कहती हूँ तो स्कोप बहुत ज्यादा होता है बेटरमेंट का। मतलब मैं किसी भी लेवल पर ये नहीं कह सकती, हम में से कोई नहीं ऐसा कह सकता कि नाउ आई एम द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ, अब इससे बेहतर तो हो ही नहीं सकता। So I always have to aspire to create a better version of myself.
Yeah.
And meditation is actually for that.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I think I have answered your question. कि अभी जरूरत नहीं है,
Yeah.
अभी अगर जरूरत नहीं महसूस हो रही है तो ये सबसे सही टाइम है कि करना शुरू कर दीजिए।
बट फिर वो जी बिल्कुल, आई ट्राई मेनी टाइम्स, बट मैं उसमें फोकस नहीं कर पाता हूँ मैं।
आप धीरे धीरे कर पाएंगे, आप किसी हार्टफुलनेस ट्रेनर से कनेक्ट हो जाइए, आप बिल्कुल कर पाएंगे।
बेटर टू आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू प्ले, टू रिलैक्स माई सेल्फ। अगर कुछ मैं खाली समय देखता हूँ तो मैं खेलना ज्यादा पसंद करता हूँ, स्पेशली आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज।
That is also very important. That is also very important. Physical activity is also very important. But the purpose, अगर आपको ये पर्पस समझ में आया कि meditation serves a different purpose, playing sports serves a different purpose. दोनों एक्टिविटीज का पर्पस अलग है, उद्देश्य अलग है। जी
थैंक यू मैम।
ओके, मोस्ट वेलकम।
Yes, any other participant having any questions? If you are having the question, please write down the chat box also.
एंड मैं बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं कहना चाहूंगी, लेकिन शेखर सर मेरी बात से एग्री करेंगे कि ये जो कोरोना टाइम्स में हमने बहुत देखा कि लोगों को डिप्रेशन हो गया, लोगों को एंजाइटी होने लग गई और मेंटल वेलबींग इश्यूज होने लग गए। लेकिन हार्टफुलनेस मेडिटेशन जिनके लाइफ का रेगुलर हिस्सा रहा है, सो द percentage of people who faced those problems was very less, or rather very rare. So we were able to, hold on to that anchor inside and sail through this difficult time.
Yes, very true, very true.
Madam, I have the one question. If
Yes,
nobody
sir.
is asking, then recently one report is published in Times of India that due to this COVID pandemic situation, the school children are more stressed. And we can say that the study load to school children is much more as compared to the adult one. So जब वो स्कूल चिल्ड्रन ही मतलब जो है वो जब स्ट्रेस हो जाते हैं तो पेरेंट्स भी ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रेस में चले जाते हैं आजकल।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो अब हाउ वी कैन मोटिवेट टू द स्कूल चिल्ड्रन प्लीज डू द मेडिटेशन और एनी अदर थिंग, क्योंकि अभी ये हो रहा है कि एक कोविड के कारण they are not able to play into the park of their colony etc. The parents are not allowing them, so they are not understanding the importance about the friendship, how to share the things with the colleagues and friends. So any suggestion that you want to give to those parents, especially that how they can release their children from the stress?
I agree 100% that the situation is very grim for the children particularly, because now this online thing has become new norm और सब लोग अपने मोबाइल पर ऑनलाइन ही जुड़े हुए हैं। ये फिजिकल इंटरेक्शन विद द फ्रेंड्स को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता, तो नेचुरली ये सिचुएशन बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। हार्टफुलनेस मेडिटेशन जो है वो 15 साल के ऊपर के बच्चे तो कर सकते हैं, 15 साल से ऊपर की उम्र के लोगों के लिए ये प्रिस्क्राइब्ड है, तो उसके ऊपर के जो बच्चे हैं वो बिल्कुल हार्टफुलनेस मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं। और अगर मेडिटेशन किसी को शुरू करना है तो उसका प्रोसेस ये होता है कि आप ट्रेनर से संपर्क करें, और 3 दिन के सेशंस होते हैं जो मैंडेटरी करने रहते हैं अपने को, मतलब 3 दिन में 1-1 घंटा रोज ट्रेनर आपको टेक्निक्स बेसिक जो है वो सिखा देता है, फिर आप उसको अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं। और वंस इन अ वीक आप ट्रेनर के साथ सेशन भी, पर्सनल सेशन भी आप ले सकते हैं। तो ये तो 15 साल के ऊपर के बच्चों के लिए बात हो गई। 15 साल के नीचे के जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए भी हार्टफुलनेस में कुछ ऑफरिंग्स हैं, जो स्कूल कनेक्ट है, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग वैल्यू ओरिएंटेड एक्टिविटीज हैं, कुछ ब्राइटर माइंड एक्टिविटीज हैं। देयर आर गीता सेशंस फॉर चिल्ड्रन, पर्टिकुलरली स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन। सो ये कुछ मिसलेनियस एक्टिविटीज हैं जो आप चाहें तो ट्राई कर सकते हैं, पर बच्चे करें, बच्चों को आप बोल के नहीं करवा सकते कि बेटा आप बैठो और मेडिटेट करो। बच्चा तो तब करता है जब वो देखता है कि अपने घर में पेरेंट्स कर रहे हैं, तो वो उसको नेचुरली समझ में आने लगता है कि हाँ ये करने की चीज है। सो फर्स्ट थिंग, द पेरेंट्स इन द फैमिली शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस, एंड ग्रेजुअली द रिजल्ट्स विल पास ऑन टू, इट विल हैव अ, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट, उसको कहते हैं अपन रिपल इफेक्ट, तो वो रिपल इफेक्ट के जैसे वो पास ऑन होता है। So I just hope that this situation of pandemic gets over soon and we all get into our normal lives. पर तब तक हम जो ऑनलाइन में पॉसिबल है मेडिटेशन सेशंस और हार्टफुलनेस के बच्चों के लिए सेशंस, वो हम प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं।
For this, मैडम, I think so that अभी AICT ने जो अभी एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बनाई है उसमें उन्होंने मेडिटेशन को इम्पोर्टेंस दिया है, पर स्कूल के लिए अभी शायद ऐसा कुछ करना जरूरी है। जी
बिल्कुल, हमारा एक प्रोग्राम है सर, एस कनेक्ट कहते हैं हम उसको।
प्रेयर करवा लेते हैं, उसके बाद अपना नॉर्मल लोड बच्चों पे देना शुरू कर देते हैं वो, तो एक थोड़ा सा एक सेशन होना जरूरी होगा। जी
बिल्कुल, हमारा काफी सारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से टाई अप है हार्टफुलनेस का, जैसे तमिलनाडु में है, कर्नाटका में है, महाराष्ट्र में है, तो पूरे जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स है उसमें हार्टफुलनेस प्रोग्राम रन करते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पर अभी ऐसा है नहीं, लेकिन अगर कोई स्कूल चाहे तो हमारी हार्टफुलनेस की टीम वो स्कूल कनेक्ट प्रोग्राम बच्चों के लिए हम लोग एक रन करते हैं, तो दैट कैन बी सजेस्टेड।
मैडम आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है इसमें चैट बॉक्स में।
अच्छा, मैं देख लेती हूँ सर।
मोहित का है।
Sometime I keep falling asleep while I meditate. What should I do if I keep falling asleep while I meditate? Is it just mental dullness or I physically tired as well? Okay, very interesting question, Mohit ji. Let me ask you one question. That can you just, while not meditating, can you just sit in a chair and fall asleep? Mohit ji, is it easy to sit in a chair anywhere, anytime and fall asleep?
मोहित बोलो, मोहित यस मैम लिख रहा है।
Okay, he is saying yes. Okay, so then you are...
क्या करते हो?
So then that means you need this. You need to observe the sleep quality at night. Okay, so maybe because the sleep quality may not be so as expected or as required, that's why you might be falling asleep. But at the same time, यदि ऐसा नहीं है, यदि आप रात में भी अच्छा सोते हैं तो, और मेडिटेशन के समय अगर आपको नींद आती है तो, actually while meditating there is a possibility that for some time you acquire this state of thoughtlessness. So जिसको हम समाधि की स्थिति कहते हैं. So when you become thoughtless, so actually आपको ऐसा लगता है नींद के दौरान भी क्या होता है, so नींद के दौरान भी you are thoughtless. So you feel that you were sleeping, but actually you might not have slept. So it is a situation of thoughtlessness, and you can very well make out the difference between कि आप सो गए थे कि आप समाधि की स्थिति में थे. यदि मेडिटेशन खत्म करने के बाद आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप बहुत डल और ड्राउजी फील कर रहे हैं, तो दैट मीन्स कि आप सो गए थे. लेकिन यदि आपको ऐसा लगता है मेडिटेशन करने के बाद यू आर फ्रेश, राइट, so then you were not sleeping, you were into a thoughtless state, samadhi sthiti. But meditation will also help you improve the sleep quality. If you continue to meditate, we have one small meditation technique which is done at bedtime, small meditation prayer. So that will help you improve the sleep quality also. So you feel fresh after wake up from meditation. So that means during meditation, you don't sleep. You feel that stage of thoughtlessness. So I think that's it. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes.
I'm Dr.
ma'am.
Anjulata Yadav. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Anjulata
Good morning.
Yadav. I'm Associate Professor in Electronics and TC Department, SGS ITS. Ma'am, I have a question that I cannot differentiate between the subconscious mind and conscious mind. Actually, the two are almost overlapping. Physically, I cannot understand what is subconscious mind and what is conscious mind.
There is no need to make out the difference between them. There's absolutely no need to.
Okay.
Just it is there. That's it. Okay. So उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं. Actually वो हम जब उसकी बात करते हैं consciousness की, तो फिर हमारी philosophy में बहुत कुछ बताया हुआ है. It is actually मन, बुद्धि, चित्त, अहंकार, ये सब कुछ उसके अंदर होता है. But ये समझने के लिए फिलोसफी की दृष्टि से समझने के लिए ठीक है, बट अदरवाइज देयर इज नो नीड टू गो डीपर इनटू दैट कि वो मुझे फील नहीं हो रहा है, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. इट्स ओके, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. निकिता हैज रेज्ड हैंड.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just want to ask that what is the time span for the concentration of a primary kid? I mean, from 6 onwards.
Concentration as in
I mean the time span, how much they can concentrate. If we want that they should meditate. So what should be the time span? I mean, for
very
us.
difficult. Very difficult. You know, attention span. It is known as attention span.
Yeah.
Research has said even adult like you and me in a
Yeah.
class, the maximum attention span is 20 minutes. After that,
20 minutes. Okay.
yeah, for adults. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, हमारा भी attention इधर उधर drift होने लग जाता है.
Yeah.
So for-
Ma'am, see, I mean, I'm also working in a school, like Satya Sai school, I'm in working. So there we follow thought tour process. Through, in that, what we do is, I mean, we build a story and we tell students to imagine that story. So in this way, it is maximum of 5 minutes. So is that fine or do we need to decrease it? My question, I mean, I just want to confirm it.
I don't have any research support for this. I mean,
Yeah.
if it is there, I am not aware of that. But attention span increases gradually. By training, it can be improved for children also.
Okay.
Like
On the daily
Shekhar
basis
said,
that
no,
we are
I-
doing that.
yeah.
Yeah. So,
So this
just to increase the
relaxation.
attention span in the class
Yes.
itself, so we start with thought tour only, and I mean
Yeah,
we take. So that's fine, no, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely. There is a school in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, Global Indian International School, where we did this heartfulness study. So we gave the kids from class 3rd to class 8. We made them do this heartfulness relaxation.
Okay.
And we had an experimental group and a control group. So the experimental group kids were given this heartfulness relaxation every day for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And the control group was not given this guided relaxation. And we observed the difference in pre and post. So we found that the attention span had improved for those children who were given the heartfulness relaxation. So guided tour, I mean the thought tour which you're saying. See, in relaxation also it's a thought tour only.
Yeah. For the adults, I mean, for seventh onwards, we are just doing the meditation, but we are naming it as guided visualization. There we follow the chakras. Although they, as you said, although they are not having that much attention span, but still through practice it can increase, as you said.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Madam, there is one question from Kanchan.
G, in the chat box.
Chat
Let me
box,
read. Why I feel little bit headache after meditation. Kanchan, do you try to force yourself to concentrate? No, that could be a probable reason to have headache. Even if you're forcing yourself to concentrate, don't do that. Just let it be. Just take it easy. Yeah. So don't force yourself to concentrate. That's why I said it has to be a very gentle process. Okay. If you're not able to concentrate, that's absolutely fine. Don't push yourself. Don't जबरदस्ती मत करो अपने आप के साथ. आराम से, आसानी से, धीरे धीरे होता है वैसे होने दो. So then you will not have this headache.
Any other question from participants?
I think we are done.
Okay. So, madam, can we conclude this session?
Yeah. So thank you from my side.
Thank you.
Everyone for giving me this opportunity.
So, as a vote of thanks, I want to say something. That this is all due to my observations. That today's world is a demanding one, with the 24-hour connectivity to the work and the constant digital overload at home. We are more stressed and under more pressure than even before. As a result, our stress responses. There are many reasons for this stress in day-to-day life, such as the traffic jam, public speaking, heavy workload, and financial and relationship troubles. It can take up to an hour for our body to return to the normal once the threat of the stress is elevated. So we spend an excessive amount of time in that stress stage. Stress has all sorts of short and long-term health implications such as anxiety, poor immunity, digestive problem, headaches, high blood pressure, poor sleep, fatigue, and burnout. So only the solution for that stress that I think is the meditation. Meditation is a powerful nature antidote to the stress. It is simple mental technique used by people from all over the world, including some of the world's most successful. So we are thankful to Yamini madam that you have shown the importance of the meditation, and you have also shown the advantages of meditation also. You have organized the practice sessions in this course, and we are very fortunate enough that we are having our head of the department, Professor Shekhar Sharma sir, who is also connected with the Heartfulness Society. And in our department, sir has also shown the importance of meditation. He always motivates us to do this meditation. And you have also explained the procedure of Pranahuti also. So on the behalf of this Atal FDP committee and on the behalf of this Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, we are very thankful to madam. You have given your precious time for our course, and you have solved so many queries of the participants. So once again, thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Vyavahare sir. Thank you, Shekhar sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Can I leave?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.